You're watching SCT Times, your daily dose of campus buzz and beyond. I am Suhani Sharma. Let's have a look at the top stories. SGT University hosts Panchayati Raj and Leadership programs. SGT University to celebrate academic excellence. SGT University marks World Physiotherapy Day 2024. Viksit Bharat at 2047 Summit at SGT University. Now, the news is in detail. SGT University recently hosted an impactful two-day orientation program on September 9th and 10th, 2024, titled Panchayati Raj and Sensible Leadership. This event featured distinguished guests and focused on enhancing understanding of local governance and leadership. Let's have a look. The program, held on September 9th and 10th, featured a Panchayati Raj orientation and leadership program. Padma Shri Ram Bahadur Rai, Chancellor of SGT University, was the chief guest, with Shri Sunil Kumar, former Secretary of the Ministry of Panchayati Raj, and Dr. Chandra Shekhar Pran, Chairman, Panch Parmeshwar Vidyapeeth, as guest of honor. Organized by the Faculty of Commerce and Management, Faculty of Law, and the Panchayati Raj Kendra, the event was led by Dr. Richa Chaudhary, Professor Sunil Jaglan, and Professor Dr. Tanushri Purohit, also in attendance. The program offered insights into local governance and leadership, supporting SVSP and SGT Spurs schools. Bureau Report, SGT Times. SGT University hosted a prestigious Scholars Distribution Program organized by the Scholars Council. The event honored exceptional students for their outstanding academic achievements and contributions. Let's have a look. The event aimed to equip young people with the skills and opportunities needed for leadership and innovation. The Scholars Council proudly presented its annual scholarship distribution ceremony, showcasing the hard work and academic excellence of the university's students. The event honored those who have demonstrated outstanding performance throughout the year. Esteemed guests, Mr. Surya Kant and Professor Shobha Bagai, joined in celebrating the achievements of the scholars. The ceremony underscored the university's commitment to investing in tomorrow's leaders and inspiring future success stories.
Hey, my name is Khushi Yadav and I am from BSc Forensic Science 2021 to 2024. I am getting scholarship today and I am very excited for that.
I am excited to get the scholarship and I feel motivated.
Quite excited to receive the scholarship, which we really worked hard for, and I'm thankful to the administration for allowing such things to take place in the university.
I don't have much to say, but I express my hearty gratitude to all my faculty and teachers and support staff, including my parents. They have supported me through every step of my journey and I express my gratitude to them. Thank you SGT University, thank you Faculty of Law.
Let's take a short break. We'll be back soon.
Step into the spotlight at SGT University. Join the Faculty of Mass Communication and Media Technology, where innovation meets excellence. Experience our top-tier infrastructure, a dynamic news recording studio, advanced podcast lab, high-tech PCR, and a professional shooting floor, all equipped with the latest industry technology. Our curriculum, designed to meet industry demands, offers real-world projects that set you apart. Learn from seasoned industry professionals and gain insights from renowned personalities and industrial icons. Ready to make headlines? Ignite your media career at SGT University.
Welcome back after the break. SGT University is set to celebrate World Physiotherapy Day with a series of vibrant and joyous activities. The Faculty of Physiotherapy has organized an engaging program filled with exciting events to honor this important day. Let's have a look. The event, titled Fitness Assessment and Consultation Health Camp, offered a range of assessments including body mass index, blood pressure, blood sugar, oxygen saturation, flexibility and core strength. The initiative aims to provide valuable health insights and consultations, emphasizing the importance of physical fitness and overall well-being.
Today I am here to witness the physiotherapy camp organized by our Faculty of Physiotherapy. During World Physiotherapist Day, every year the Faculty of Physiotherapy organizes this camp, and this is a good move that all the entire faculty and the students are witnessing this physiotherapy camp.
Starting from your height, weight and the ratio of your fat as well as the muscle mass. It is being measured here, and I must compliment to the Department of Physiotherapy for organizing this health camp and really highlighting the benefits of physiotherapy to maintain your muscle and health.
SGT University, in partnership with the NCR Chamber of Commerce and Industry, hosted an insightful industry summit on September 6, 2024, titled Viksit Bharat at 2047, Empowering Youth, Establishing a Growth Ecosystem. Let's have a look. The summit began with the traditional lighting of the Deep Shikha by Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. Atmanand and other dignitaries. It aimed to prepare Indian youth for economic and technological growth. A panel discussion moderated by Ms. Ritika Dhadij focused on sustainability, inclusivity, and collaboration among government, industry, and academia. Overall, the summit effectively connected experts and youth, supporting India's vision for 2047. Bureau Report, SGT Times. And that wraps up today's SGT Times. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more updates.